Hello student, welcome to digital classes. This video is for class 9. The subject is maths and this is the second part of this chapter. In this video I am going to continue the exercise 10.4 and I explain the theorem 10.6 and 7 again. So every student must write the theorem 10.6 and 10.7 in their classwork copy before starting the exercise. Previous video I will explain the theorem 10.1 to 10.67 also, but now I repeat the theorem 10.6 and 7 in this video also. Till exercise 10.3 I explained already. Now today I am going to start the exercise 10.4. Now let us start with theorem 10.6. Equal chord of a circle or a congruent circle are equidistant from the center. Draw the figure like this. Given a circle with center O, AB and CD are the two equal chords of the circle, that is AB is equal to CD, and OX and OY are the perpendicular to AB and CD respectively. Now prove OX is equal to OY. Now the proof. Since OX is perpendicular to AB, perpendicular from the center to the chord bisect the chord, so AX is equal to BX is equal to AB upon 2. This is the equation number 1. Similarly, since OY is perpendicular to CD, perpendicular from the center to the chord bisect the chord, so CY is equal to DY is equal to CD upon 2. This is the equation number 2. Now this is given that the chords are equal. So AB upon 2 is equal to CD upon 2. So AX is equal to CY from equation 1 and 2. Now this is the equation number 3. Now in triangle AOX and COY, angle OXA is equal to OYA, both are 90 degree, OC is equal to OA, radius AX is equal to CY from equation 1. Triangle AOX is congruent to triangle COY by RHS rule. So OX is equal to OY by CPCT, hence proved. Equal chords of a circle or a congruent circle are equidistant from the center or centers. This is the theorem number 10.6. Now theorem 10.7. Chords equidistant from the center of a circle are equal in length. You draw this figure. Given C is a circle with center O, AB and CD are two equal chords of a circle, where OX is a distance from the center, that is OX is perpendicular to AB, and OY is the distance from the center, that is OY is perpendicular to CD, and OX is equal to OY. Prove AB is equal to CD. Now prove in triangle AOX and triangle DOY, angle OXA is equal to OYA, both are 90 degree, OA is equal to OD radius, and OX is equal to OY given. Triangle AOX is congruent to triangle DOY by RHS rule. AX is equal to DY by CPCT. This is the equation number 1. For chord AB, OX is perpendicular to AB, perpendicular from the center to the chord bisect the chord. Therefore X bisect AB. So AB is equal to 2AX. This is the equation number 3. Now for chord CD, OY is perpendicular to CD, perpendicular from the center to the chord bisect the chord. Therefore Y bisect CD. So CD is equal to 2 dy, that is the equation number 4. From equation 1, AX is equal to dy, that is 2AY is equal to 2 dy. AB is equal to CD from the equation number 3 and 4. Now hence proved. This is the theorem 10.7. Chords equidistant from the center of a circle are equal in length. Now let us start exercise 10.4. The first question, two circles of radii 5 cm and 3 cm intersect at one point and the distance between Their center is 4 centimeter. Find the length of the common chord. See, draw the figure like this and start solution. Let two circle with center O and O dash intersect each other at point A and B. On joining A and B, A and B, AB basically is a common chord. Now radius OA is equal to 5 centimeter, radius O dash A is 3 centimeter. Distance from their center OO dash is 4 centimeter. In triangle AOO dash, 5 square is equal to 25 and 4 square plus 3 square is also 25. Using the Pythagorean triplet, we know that triangle AOO dash is a right angle. Hence, AOO dash is a right angle and right angle at O dash. Since perpendicular drawn from the center of the circle bisect the chord, hence O dash is the midpoint of the chord AB. Also, O dash is the center of the circle. Therefore, length of AB is equal to the diameter of the circle, that is 2 times 3, which is equal to 6 centimeter. Means the length of the chord AB is equal to 6 centimeter. My solution is little different. So if you want to solve in another way, it's okay. Now the question number 2. If two equal chords of a circle intersect within the circle, prove that the segment of one chord are equal to the corresponding segment of the other chord. First draw the figure like this and mark the points. Now given, let AB and CD are the two equal chords of a circle with center O intersecting each other at point E within the circle. Proof. First proof is AE is equal to CE. Second proof is BE is equal to DE. Now construct. Draw OM perpendicular to AB and ON perpendicular to CD, and also join OE. Proof. In right triangle OME and ONE, angle OME is equal to ONE is equal to 90 degree. OM is equal to ON. Equal chords are equidistant from the center. So OE is equal to OE common. Triangle OME is congruent to triangle ONE by RHS congruency rule. ME is equal to NE by CPCT. This is the equation number 1. Now O is the center of the circle and OM is perpendicular to AB. Therefore, AM is equal to half of AB. Perpendicular from the center bisect the chord. This is the equation number 2. Similarly, NC is equal to half of CD. This is the equation number 3. But AB is equal to CD is given. From equation 2 and 3, AM is equal to NC. This is the 4th. Also, MB is equal to DN. This is the 5th. Adding the equation number 1 and 4, we get AM plus ME is equal to NC plus NE. After adding, we get AE is equal to CE. Proved. Part A. Now AB is equal to CD is given. AE is equal to CE is proved above. So subtract AB minus AE is equal to CD minus CE. Therefore, BE is equal to DE. Proved. Part B. Now the question number 3. If two equal chords of a circle intersect within a circle, prove that the line joining the point of intersection to the center makes equal angle with the chord. Everyone draw this figure. Now given AB and CD be two equal chords of a circle with center O intersecting each other in the circle at point E. OE is joined. Proof. Angle OEM is equal to OEN. Construct. Draw OM perpendicular to AB and ON perpendicular to CD. In right angle triangle OME and ONE, angle OME is equal to ONE, each 90 degree. OM is equal to ON, equal chords are equidistant from the center. OE is equal to OE, this is common. Triangle OME is congruent to triangle ONE by RHS congruency rule. Therefore, angle OEM is equal to OEN by CPCT. Now question number 4. If a line intersecting two concentric circle with the same center, with center O and AB, C, R and D, prove that AB is equal to CD. This figure is given in the book, so you can draw first. Draw line L intersect two concentric circle with center O at point ABCD. To prove AB is equal to CD, construct. Draw OL is perpendicular to BC as well as AD. Proof. AD is a chord of outer circle and OL is perpendicular to AD. AL is equal to LD. First, perpendicular drawn from the center, bisect the chord. Now BC is a chord of an inner circle and OL is perpendicular to BC. So BL is equal to LC. This is the 2. Perpendicular drawn from the center, bisect the chord. Subtracting equation 2 from 1, we get AL minus BL is equal to LD minus LC, which is AB is equal to CD. Now proved. Now the question number 5. 3 girls, Reshma, Salma and Mandeep, are playing a game by standing on a circle of radius 5 cm drawn in a park. Reshma throw a ball to Salma, Salma to Mandeep, Mandeep to Reshma. If the distance between Reshma and Salma and between Salma and Mandeep is 6 meter each, what is the distance between Reshma and Mandeep? Everyone first draw this figure and mark the dimensions. Let Reshma, Salma and Mandeep take the position C, A, B on the circle. Since AB is equal to AC, the circle lies on the bisector of angle BAC. Let M be the point of the intersection of BC and OA. Again, since AB is equal to AC and AM bisect angle CAB. AM is perpendicular to CB and M is the midpoint of CB. Let OM is equal to X. Then MA is equal to 5 minus X. From the right angle triangle OMB, OB square is equal to OM square plus MB square by using Pythagoras theorem. 5 square is equal to X square plus MB square. This is the equation number 1. Again in right angle triangle AMB, AB square is equal to AM square plus MB square by using Pythagoras theorem. 6 square is equal to 5 minus X square plus MB square. This is the equation number 2. Equate the value of MB square in equation 1 and 2. We get 5 square minus X square is equal to 6 square minus 5 minus X whole square. So 5 minus X whole square minus X square is equal to 6 square minus 5 square. After solving this, we get 10x is equal to 25 minus 11. Therefore 10x is equal to 14 and x is equal to 14 upon 10. Hence from equation 1, MB square is equal to 5 square minus x square is equal to 5 square minus 14 upon 10 square. So 5 plus 14, 5 minus 14 is equal to 64 upon 10 into 36 upon 10. MB is equal to 8 into 6 upon 10, that is equal to 4.8. And BC is equal to 2 MB, therefore 2 times 44.8, that is 9.6. The distance between Reshma and Mandeep is 9.6 centimeter. Now the question number 6. A circular park of radius 20 meter is situated in a colony. Three boys, Ankur, Syed and David, are sitting at an equal distance on its boundary, each having a toy phone in his hands to talk each other. Find the length of the string of each phone. First, draw the circle and mark the dimensions. Let position of three boys, Ankur, Syed and David, are denoted by the point A, B, C respectively. A is equal to B is equal to C is equal to A, small a. Since equal sides of equilateral triangle are as equal chords and perpendicular distance of the equal chord of a circle are equidistant from the center. So OD is equal to OE is equal to OF is equal to X centimeter. Join OA, OB and OC. Area of triangle AOB is equal to area of triangle BOC is equal to area of triangle AOC and area of triangle ABC. Now area of triangle AOB plus area of triangle BOC plus area of triangle AOC, which gives area of triangle ABC, is equal to 3 times area of triangle BOC. Area of equilateral triangle is under root 3 upon 4 a square. Therefore, area of triangle ABC is under root 3 upon 4 a square, which is equal to 3 half BC times OE. BE is equal to EC is equal to half A. So BC is equal to EC is equal to half bracket 2 under root 3x using the equation number 1. BE is equal to EC is equal to under root 3x. Now in right angle triangle BEO, by using Pythagoras theorem, OE square plus BE square is equal to OB square, that is x square plus under root 3x square is equal to 20 square. X square plus 3x square is equal to 400, 4x square is equal to 400, x square is equal to 100, so x is equal to 10 meter and A is equal to 2 under root 3x, which is equal to 2 under root 3 times 10, which is equal to 20 under root 3 meter. Thus the distance between any two boys is 20 under root 3 meter. It means the length of the string of each phone is 20 under root 3 meter. While solving these, if you feel problem, you can ask within a class. I think everyone could understand what I taught in this video. If there is a doubt, you can ask within a class.